Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You know what's annoying is when you sit down on your furniture and it moves with you instead of staying put. Well, these rubber grips from CasterMaster are amazing at getting your furniture to stay in place. Because these are made of rubber, they're truly superior from other options that we've tried on our furniture. Look at, even when I just throw the rubber pieces across the floor, you can see how they don't move when they land. Your furniture, I promise, is not gonna go anywhere. Not only will it not move, but it's going to protect your floors. These little grips are going to protect all types of surfaces, laminate, hardwood, ceramic, you name it. Super easy to use, just slide them under your furniture and you're good to go. These can be used under all types of furniture, chairs, beds, outdoor furniture, anything that fits. This is going to keep your furniture from creaking and making noise, as well as reducing scuffs on your floor. Overall, it's the perfect solution we were looking for to keeping our furniture in its place. And that's our point of view.